Hello, I'm Carla Bush with the MBA, and today I'm joined by Kayla Shuckman, Minnesota Housing's Assistant Commissioner, Single Family, to talk about the Fix Up Home Improvement Loan Program. Kayla, could you tell me just a little bit about Minnesota Housing and then explain the Fix Up program?
Yeah, thanks, Carla. Thanks for having me here today to talk to you. Minnesota Housing is a state agency. We're the state's housing finance agency, been around for over 50 years, and we function essentially as a bank, financing everything from single family mortgages and home improvement to multifamily developments. In the single family space, we offer first mortgages for first-time home buyers and other buyers. Last year, we did over $1 billion in lending. So really active. And our home improvement program, the Fix Up Fund, is a program that allows eligible Minnesotans up to $75,000 in permanent home improvements. So the projects can be, quite big or small. We do everything from emergency replacement of a furnace to a full-scale home remodel, kitchen and bath. We see, siding improvements, roofs, energy improvements, solar. The funds can be used to add a garage. So really broad range of eligible improvements that can be done by homeowners under this Fix Up Fund loan.
Sounds like a really great program. So tell me, who would typically qualify for this?
Yeah, so we work through participating lenders on this program, whether that's a local bank, credit union, or nonprofit. And the lender works directly with the homeowner from loan application to closing. And we ask for our lenders to make sure that our homeowners have strong credit. We're looking for a 620 credit score and enough income to support the loan. There are program income limits in the Twin Cities and some of our Southeast counties. It's up to $175,000 maximum income roughly. And for the remainder of the state, roughly $155,000 income limit. So, really broad eligibility.
Yeah, that's great because that sounds like a lot of people are going to qualify for this. So if I'm a banker, how do I go about becoming a participating lender?
Yeah, so lenders can contact our Fix Up Fund program manager, Shannon. It's really an easy process, and Shannon will help you through that. There's a participation agreement and a one-time $250 fee, and Shannon will get you set up with onboarding and training if you contact her. Our lenders really like this program. It helps homeowners who might not otherwise be eligible for traditional improvement product that requires a lot of equity, say like a HELOC. And we have a fixed interest rate product that has up to a 20-year term, so it can be really affordable for homeowners. So please do reach out to Shannon if you're interested in becoming a Fix Up Fund participating lender.
Wonderful. And if I'm a homeowner, how do I find those lenders that are part of the program?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a list of participating lenders that's available on our website, and homeowners can reach out directly to any of the lenders that are convenient for them.
Thank you so much, Kayla. And thank you for joining us for another Minnesota Banking Minute. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. And make sure you get on our YouTube channel for many more videos.